Yo guys, so today I'm doing my bike check. This is my premium duo BMX bike. So to start off, we got some duo pedals. The frame is the premium duo. I have amber rims and an amber seat. I have a Colony Trippy Dip sprocket and a Stranger Trippy Dip stem. Just some random bars because my other one's bent because I landed on one side too hard and this side bent down. I just got brand new, just out of the box, Colt Vans gum tires. They look sick. Pegs, two random pegs. This one's just a screw on. I'm trying to get new ones. Just a random chain that I saw, and because my other one snapped. And I have some demolition cranks. I forget the exact model, but yeah. And then the forks are Odyssey, I think. I bought a bunch of stuff off of this guy. I bought the seat, my other handlebars. I got 3 sets of handlebars, these rims, the forks, this peg, and a bunch of other stuff. Like, I built my friend basically a complete bike because it came with a frame and everything too. Yeah, I'll show you the other side. I also have a Odyssey preload bolt. You can see the Vans. So for some reason my phone just stopped recording, but yeah, you can see the tire underneath the Vans. And then I have the Colt Vans grips also. Forgot to mention that. This is the other side. Zero fucks given sticker, demolition sticker. Then we got the Perspective is Everything sticker. I thought it was kind of a good little joke because you're looking at the bike from a different perspective, but I don't know, random ass GoPro sticker. But yeah, it's decently light. Yeah, these bars are very bent up. Or dented, I should say. And then I also have this rim, which is a Primo rim with a, I want to say Primo hub. I'm not sure. This is a cassette, and this one I just dropped. This one is a cassette, not a cassette, a free coaster. This is kind of hard to do, but there's no noise with the, and it has a little bit of play. I'm trying to self-film this, but yeah. And then I have like an Odyssey rim strip in there, whatever. But yeah, that is my bike check, and thanks for watching.